Class, got it? How can you draw a line in MS Paint? Hope that you got it. Okay, come to the next slide. Draw curved line. How can you draw a curved line in a MS Paint? Okay, these are the steps to the these are the same steps as the previous slide. First of all, you go to a toolbox and click the curve tools. Okay, go to the toolbox and click a tool, and below the toolbox there is the option of line width or thickness. Line width, line width and thickness. Okay, below the toolbox there is the option of a line width and the thickness, and then you can draw a straight line by dragging your pointer. Okay, click and drag your mouse pointer. Okay, click and drag your mouse pointer and draw a straight line. Okay, and then for example you can draw a curved line. Okay, for example you can draw a curved line, press and drag the pointer until it curves. Okay, you can curve it by your mouse pointer. Okay, for example you draw one or more than you can draw more than one curve. Okay, so you can repeat this process same. You can also draw different lines with a different colors and with a different thickness. I again repeat that how can you draw curved lines. First of all, go to the toolbox of MS Paint, click the curve tool, click the curve tool, and below the toolbox there is an option of a line width or a thickness, and then you can click and drag your mouse pointer above a straight line, and to draw a curved line you can press and drag it until you curve it. Okay, until you curve it. For example you want to draw different lines with a different colors and different thickness. You can repeat this process again and again. Okay, see this diagram. Okay, see this diagram. I'll zoom it. See this is an option of a curve tool, and this is your toolbox. Okay class, this is your toolbox. This is your toolbox, and here this is your drawing area in which you can draw a curved line. See that this is your curved line. Okay class, this is also your curved line, and this is your color box where you can select your colors, and this is your line width. Okay class, and see that this line have a different width than this line. This line have different width than this line. Okay, this is your curved drawing area, you can see. Okay, wait class. Use a pencil tool. Okay, next is use a pencil tool. This is same that first of all you go to a toolbox and then go to the toolbox and then click the pencil tool, and then click the pencil tool and try to draw yourself using the. Okay, you can also write your name with the pencil tool. Okay, you can draw a picture by your pencil tool. Okay, then how can you use a pencil tool? See this diagram. Okay, this is your toolbox, and here this is your pencil tool, and this is your color box where you select your color of pencil tool, and then you can create a, a picture or drawing. Okay class, and then you can also write a name using a pencil, but You can't write a name by the curve tool and by the straight line tool. Okay, class? You can only write a name or drawing a picture using the pencil tool. Okay, so mostly we can use a pencil tool to draw a line. Then you can using fill with color tool. Okay, for example, you draw any line and you want to fill this. You want to fill this. Then you can use a color tool. Okay, you can use a color tool. First of all, you go to the toolbox and then click the pencil tool and then click the pencil tool, then draw a long twisted line. And for example, you can draw any line. Okay, and you want to fill this shape, so you can use the pencil tool. You can use the pencil tool. Okay, this is your toolbox, and here this is a color tool. Okay, here you can select the color in color box. You can select the color and you can fill it. Okay, only you can click, then it can automatically fill all the area. Okay, class, it can automatically fill all the area. Next is using brush tool. Using brush tool. Okay, when you use a pencil tool, when you use a pencil tool, the line is always a thick, always stay sharp or narrow. Okay, it cannot go to a wide, and it must be a narrow, it must be a sharp. Okay, class. But with the brush tool, a user can change the thickness and shape of the line. Okay, by using a brush tool, you can change the thickness and you can change the shape of the line according to your own choice. Okay, so we can use a different brush shapes and colors to draw a line. Okay, I will zoom the diagram so you can see it. So see this, this is your brush tool. Okay, this is your, here you can select a color and this is your different thickness area. Okay, class, and see this, that you can draw a very large width line. Okay, and you can also a very narrow line. Okay, it is your own choice that you can draw a large width line or a small width line, and it does not, it must not be narrow or a sharp. Okay, got it, class? Next is using AL or brush tool. Okay, ALR brush tool. In the toolbox, click the ALR brush tool. Okay, and you can use a different spray sizes and a spray using ALR brush tool, airbrush tool. It is also called a airbrush tool. Okay, using a airbrush tool, you can spray a different sizes and a different spray. Okay, you can draw different sizes, spray sizes and a different spray. Okay, this is same as a, you can say this is same as a brush tool. Next, this is the important topic, shape tools. Okay, there are four different shape tool: rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool. First is rectangle tool. First is rectangle tool. Okay, by using a rectangle tool, you can draw a rectangles. You can draw a rectangles to draw a square. Okay, for example, you can draw a square. Then you can hold the shift key. You can click and hold the shift key while dragging. Then it can draw a square. It can draw a square. Next is rounded rectangle tool. Okay, using a rounded rectangle tool, okay, you can change the corners of a rectangle. Okay, you can change the corners of a rectangle. You can draw a rectangles with the rounded corners. Okay, you can change the corners of a rectangle. Ellipse tool. Okay, you can draw, you can, by using a ellipse tool, you can make a ellipse. This is your ellipse. See on the diagram of the ellipse tool. And you can, by using a ellipse tool, you can also draw a perfect circle by holding the shift key and then dragging. Then is polygon tool. It is also used to draw up different polygon types, or you can say that you can draw different types of a polygon. Okay, sorry class. So next is drawing rectangle. Okay, how can you draw a rectangle? First you can select a rectangle tool. You can select a rectangle tool, and then you can move the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Move the mouse pointer in the drawing area, and then you can press, and then you can drag a pointer diagonally. Okay, you can drag, move the mouse, sorry, you can drag a mouse pointer diagonally to draw a rectangle, and then at last you can release your mouse button. When your rectangle was complete, you can leave your rectangle. Okay, and you can see that you can make, you can also make a rectangle all over the screen, and then you can color them, and then you can color them. Okay, I again repeat that how can you draw a rectangle? First of all, go to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Okay, and then you can mouse the pointer in the drawing area. I hope that you know that what is the drawing area we will discuss in the previous slide. And then you can press, and then you can draw a mouse diagonally. Okay, you can draw a mouse diagonally to draw a rectangle. Then you can release. Okay, फिर आप क्या करें, अपने mouse button छोड़ दे. Then you can release the mouse button, and you can see that that the rectangle can make all over the screen, and you can also color them by using a color box. See the diagram, can how can you draw a rectangle. Okay, see this diagram class. Okay class, see this diagram. Okay, wait class, this is your rectangle tool. Okay class, in the toolbox. Okay, this is your color box, and this is your width of a rectangle. Okay, you can, this is your drawing area. Okay, this is your drawing, this is your drawing area. Here you can draw a rectangle. Okay, you can draw a rectangle by moving the mouse pointer diagonally. Okay, okay, you can draw a rectangle by moving your mouse pointer diagonally. Okay, paint offers three options to create a shape. Okay, there are the three options to create a shape. First option is that you can draw outline of a shape. Only you can draw outline of the shape. And second is you can draw outline of a shape and you can also fill the color inside. Okay, you can also fill the color inside. Third is that you can draw a color shape but there is no outline. You can draw a color shape but there is no outline. And next is drawing ovals. Okay, this is same as the rectangle tool. Okay class, this is same as the rectangle tool, but in rectangle tool you can select, a rectangle, sorry, in a toolbox you can select a rectangle tool, and in drawing the ovals you can select the ellipse tool. You can select the ellipse, and the remaining steps are same as the rectangle tool. Okay, see this, select the ellipse tool, and then you can move the mouse point in the drawing area, press, and then you can drag the mouse diagonally to draw an oval, then release the mouse, and you can see that you can also make an ovals all over the screen. Okay, this is same as the previous slide. Okay, here you can select a oval. This is your color box. Here you can select a color, and here in the drawing area you can draw an oval. And it has also three options to create an oval. First is you can only draw long outline. Second is you can draw outline and also you can fill the shape color with inside. Third is you can draw a colored shape with no outline. Okay class, you can draw no outline but only a colored shape. Any question regarding this lecture class? Any query? टूल बार के होते हैं जिधर आपके सब ऑप्शंस पड़े होते हैं. वेट, आपको मैं डायग्राम शो करवा देता हूँ, आप देख ले ये टूल बार किधर होता है. See this diagram class. This is your toolbar. Class, see this. This is your all toolbox. Okay class. Here you can select a different option. This is your tool box. Okay, got it? Class 6, any query regarding this lecture? If you don't have any queries, so I end up this lecture. Okay, question is that what is diagonal? Diagonally mean? Okay, diagonally is like a straight line. Okay, you can connect the one corner to a second corner, one corner to a second corner. Okay, this is a diagonal. Okay, I will draw it. Wait. Okay, you can, for example, you can draw any shape. This is your rough diagram. Okay, class. Here we can't draw on it. For example, this is your diagonal. Okay. For example, okay, wait, class. For example, I draw scale. Okay, this is a scale. When you connect one point to another, this line is called a diagonal. Okay, class. This line is okay. This line is a diagonal. Okay, I hope you understand it. जिस बच्चे ने सवाल पूछा था. Any query, class? Do you have any question regarding this lecture? You have only 1 minute left. Class 6, you don't have any question? Okay. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.